Vegas, live at 11.
There are now 74 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Clark County. The Southern Nevada Health District releasing the latest numbers tonight. There remains one death in Southern Nevada, a man in his 60s with underlying conditions passing away last week. Nationwide, though, the cases are rapidly rising. There are more than 14,000 positive cases tonight. Deaths have soared past the 200 mark. Globally, Italy has surpassed China with the most coronavirus deaths. And tonight, we have a better idea of how many first responders have been exposed here to COVID-19. Let's get to 13 investigative reporter Joe Bartels live at Metro Police headquarters with the details for us. And Joe, you were the first to report the potential exposure earlier this week.
Yeah, Tricia, we were, and at the time on Monday that we were understanding that at least 2 officers were potentially exposed to COVID-19. Now we've learned that number is 4 dozen and likely going even higher.
They are the first responders on the front lines of emergencies and of the growing COVID-19 outbreak across Clark County. Las Vegas Metro Police now say 48 personnel gave the department notice that they may have had workplace-related exposure to the coronavirus.
The police can't be shut down. So we're going to be there. We're going to take all the necessary precautions. If you have a lot of police officers that work the streets getting sick, there's a lot of reserve officers that work in the detective bureaus and that'll still be there. So people shouldn't worry that police service is going to suffer.
Steve Grammis, the president of the Las Vegas Police Protective Association, says Metro Police, the largest department in the state, was taking proactive steps to protect the 3,400 rank and file officers on Clark County streets.
Once you know the proper steps, then the department is definitely standing by everybody to make sure that if they have somebody potentially sick, that they're going to take care of them and the people around them.
Las Vegas police say the reports of potential exposure are a requirement if the employee will need time off from work. It's unclear where or when the potential exposures took place, and it's also unclear if there are any confirmed cases of COVID-19 involving Las Vegas police personnel. 13 Investigates asked the city of Las Vegas if any firefighting personnel have reported exposures or are self-quarantining right now. A spokesperson released a statement reading in part, quote, Las Vegas Fire and Rescue Emergency Responders are well equipped and well cared for as they respond to fire and medical emergencies. Any exposure to infectious conditions are documented and treated. HIPAA restricts the city from releasing medical status of employees.
And we reached out to Clark County to see if any Clark County Fire Department personnel have also been exposed or potentially exposed to COVID-19, but we did not immediately hear back. Reporting live, Joe Bartels, 13 Action News.